She's at this stage where all she wants to do is pray, focus, manifest, and hustle. So she's releasing negative energy and welcoming peace. She's no longer easily accessible. She's in her own lane. And there's no speed limit or traffic to slow her down.
All right, y'all. We just got back in from Family Dollar, Walmart, and Lowe's, and Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show y'all everything we got real quick. These cups came from Dollar General. It's the 100 count. I think they were $4. I do have my receipts because I do my Fetch rewards. So my Walmart receipt. This is the one from Family Dollar. My Lowe's receipt is outside in Jordan's car. And he got the receipt from Dollar Tree. So I got some cups. Some of the Keebler Fudge Stripes. One of these aroma scents. I guess he gonna use this in the car. I don't know. And then I got one of the Good and Clean, just hand sanitizer, well, wipes, disinfectant wipes. They was what, $3.50? Did I say $3.50? Yeah, $3.50 reduced. I'm assuming they was $4 or $5. And then the Lysol was reduced to $4. So I got 2 cans, one for myself and one for Mama. The Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations, these were $6, as y'all seen when I walked through. Hold on. The Tidy Bowl, the lavender ones, just for the tank. Suavitel Complete Fabric Softeners. I got me and Jordan these blue Sunkiss. What's that? The berry lemonade, and this one for Philip, but he probably gonna end up drinking this one too. The Cerama Bright. I had needed a new scraper because I don't know what happened to my scraper from my barkeeper's thing that I bought. So this came from Lowe's. I think it was like $4 and some change. I didn't need the liquid to go to it because I have some. I just needed a new scraper and micro pad. And then I got the barkeeper's friend. I like to use this versus the other one because it works better and I can use it on my dishes and everything. Then this is the Swiffer Wet Jet I was talking about because I want to mop. And I love the scent of this. A little bit of this goes a long way. And in my opinion, it smells better and lasts longer as far as scent and cleaning than just Mr. Clean or Pine Sol. So I went on and got these because I'm going to go head on and mop our kitchen floor. I'm still going to add some bleach. So I'm going to mop it the first time with just some bleach and water. And then I'm going to go back over it with this. But for 2 of these was $10.98 from Lowe's versus paying one for $7 at Family Dollar and Dollar General. Then moving over here, I seen that they had these at Lowe's too. But it was the same price at Family Dollar. It was $6.90. And I'm going to say, there you go. That it's the Max. This is the E-Max. That's what we're going to call it. But like I said, they have the pink one with the pink top. And it didn't smell bad, but this one just smelled better, in my opinion. Like I said, this was $6.90. So I just went and got a big one of these. Jordan picked up 1 pen. Alicia needed one to write on her boxes. And then Jordan got some books for our mamas because both of them do their books. So he got each one of them the same thing, which was really nice. So they got the big prints, the more just little books to keep them, you know, on the days they bored. So each one of them got 3 each. I got Phillips more water, the watermelon, 2 watermelon, 1 cotton candy, the Clear American, some more flushable wipes, and then from these 3 came from Walmart. That's all I went to Walmart for was Phillips and water and these wipes. And then out of Family Dollar, I picked up an orange drink, a grape drink, and 1 gallon of milk, and that's it. Just real small. But I told y'all I am still going and do my big bulk shop. I'm just getting this little stuff because this is what I needed for today pretty much. And to get some stuff done and clean, you know, finish cleaning some things I need to get done. But like I tell you, I will have a big haul coming up soon in a couple of days. So y'all stay tuned. I will be doing the walkthrough. That's going to be on my main channel. And then the grocery haul will be over here. So stay tuned. So all the videos, make sure y'all get, if y'all are interested in hauls and budget videos and stuff like that, Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video if you care, and we will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.